Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the hand sanitizer floor stand by Nithy Me. Ooh, this is a special hand disinfectant column with food paddle. Oh, disinfectant dispenser for our hands and others areas if you like. Okay, it's for all men and women, and of course for pets too if they can handle this. No problem. It is a disinfectant dispenser, but you can use it with foam or with soap too. No problem. It is multifunction use. And it's contactless. Ooh, it comes in a standing position and mechanical use because you will need no power supply. You will not need any battery for it. Yeah, the only thing what you're going to need is your foot. That's really awesome, I think, because it's a mechanical system inside which can used by using our foot, and this will get out the disinfectant or the foam or the soap or what you like. Liquid can come out of it. It's awesome for hospitals, for offices, for shopping malls, for everything and blanks. There is a new paddle design. The hand disinfectant dispenser of functionality with its particle food operation. Avoid hand contact. Step in easily to get the right amount of hand disinfectant. Provide a particle hand disinfectant for employees and guests. We can keep the environment clean and reduce the spread of bacteria. Keep sanitation easy. The food operation disinfectant stand. The disinfectant station is an essential prerequisite for our new normal lifestyle and offers customers and crew a convenient and quick way to clean and disinfect their hands before entering, for example, our premises. It's high adjustable. We can adjust in different heights. Simply adjust the height to suit different needs. If you have a big gallon of disinfection, you can set up this stand by using this high adjustment thing. Simply adjust the height to suit different needs is really good because we can use a small soap dispenser or a big soap dispenser or a foam dispenser or disinfection liquid dispenser, etc., or water dispenser too. No problem. You can use every pump system which you can pump from above on this station here. Sturdy construction. The solid base plate makes it a freestanding unit, wobble-free and robust. This stand is perfect for high traffic areas such as lobbies or restaurants. The Canton station, made of high quality metal, it is rust resistant and durable enough for daily use in several conditions, and it use our foot. Mechanical ready, it use our foot. That means we need no battery, no power supply. That's awesome. We can use it in the desert. We can use it underwater. We can use it where we like to use it. And it's a wide application. We can create an effective disinfection area in shops, hospitals, offices, shopping malls, banks, saloons, retail stores, grocery stores, or other commercial areas. Of course, we can use it at our home area too. No problem with that. It's really easy. We can rotate the adjustment height range from 0 to 20 inches. It's really easy. Grab the adjustment knob with our first hand and assist the stability with a second. Gently rotate it anti-clockwise manner to loose the joint and extend to the desired height and rotate clockwise to secure the newly made adjustment area. 20 inches is possible. Wow, that's awesome. That's really awesome. We do not touch the skin with our hands. Non contact is more hygienic. HSS steel bracket. Pressure plates on board, storage trays on board, multiple stable chassis, and pressing on the full dispensing liquid without contacting. That's really awesome. We have a fixed plate, we have the regulator. We can use it in kindergarten, in stations, in companies, in the mall, hospitals, schools, where we like. The foot paddle of the bracket is easy to step, and the liquid come out at the same time. Duh, that's really awesome. Now, let's attach this disinfectant column with foot paddle. Let's go. It's really easy to attach, as you can see. We get the plated position. Then we are attaching the foot paddle. After this, we only have to hoist it with 3 screws, and then the bottom plate is in the line. We have to look that the dispenser, the disinfection column, is in the right direction. Then we are going to use 4 screws, 4 rings, and of course 4 nuts to attach this onto the bottom plate. After this, we're ready with assembling. Awesome, isn't it? It's really easy, it fits good. We will need a socket wrench and a screwdriver. That's all. And of course our hands to attach this. Awesome. So all screws are tightened enough. Now we check the function. Here you can see it works proper. That's awesome. Now the next step is we have to adjust the height, the right adjustment of the height for our soap tank, or for our, of course, disinfectant liquid tank. Here we are. On the top side there is a pump system, and we can remove it and attach it, remove and attach easily that system. It's really easy to assemble, it's really easy to use, as you can see. This is the disinfectant column with foot paddle. Oh, the hand sanitizer fluid stand for soap, foam, and of course disinfectant liquid. That's really awesome. And it comes from the brand NICEME. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.